Okay, what I have here is my buddy's XL on the bench. This is mine. Works perfect, and it's good to have one here to compare. For me anyways, I troubleshoot and try to figure out what's going on. But so far I have not been able to figure out what's going on. Now before I turn this on and show you what it's doing, I want you to know that I've scoured every forum that I could find and there's no answer to this. There are no videos about it. Before you tell me that it's the screen that's the issue, that's not the case. It's not the screen. And I'll tell you what happened. So my friend had this. It had the original floppy drive. He went to swap it out with this StarTech CF drive, and he said when he opened it up and hooked it up that this happened. And let's have a look at what I'm talking about here. Let's see. So turn it on, and of course it's not plugged in. So guess what's going to happen if I turn it on with it not being plugged in? Nothing. Let me try that again. So when you turn it on, and it will repeat this, and it almost seems like this bar keeps growing larger every time, and it will continue to do this, and then it will create a series of bars across right to about here, and at some point, I don't know what time frame, well, let me back up. So this happens to the screen and every light comes on. Can you see that? Every light. So once a series of these bars comes across to, I think about there, I don't remember, about 10 minutes with it being on, all the lights go off except for bank A, but the screen stays frozen like that, and there's no accessing it whatsoever. It's not working. So what I've tried is swapping it with my CF drive, my extra floppy, his floppy, this StarTech, no drive at all. Every time it does not turn on correctly. We've taken the RAM out, cleaned the RAM, put it back in. Same thing happens. Tried turning it on without the RAM in. Same thing happens. Tried checking all the connections of every cable inside. Nothing is working. So this is where we are. We're stuck at this point right here. Now it's possible that when he went to install this, something was backwards, something wasn't correct, something got knocked loose. I don't know. He doesn't seem to think that that's possible. However, anything's possible when you're looking at troubleshooting something like this. So if you know how to fix this, please let me know, and I'll do a follow-up to this video so that people like me, if they ever encounter this, can know what the solution is. I did get some good information from the posts before. What I've ascertained is that even with this is a replace screen. This is a version 2 from MPC stuff. So that's why I know it's fine. I put it in myself. People who didn't even replace the screen, they had the original screen in, have had this happen. People have had it happen when they plug in a zip drive, or they try to swap a CF card that's not hot swappable. I've heard that this particular issue can happen. I don't know if that helps you with helping me diagnose and fix this, but I just thought I'd share that info. So again, please don't tell me it's a screen. Please don't tell me to reverse the wires on this and try it. We've done it 1,000 times. That's not what it is. It's something else, and it's quite possibly in the main board, which would suck. But hey, I'm going to remain optimistic about this, and hopefully you can help me out. Thanks a lot.